I'm Feifan. I'm automotive technician. I see engines as input-output models. My background makes me focus on efficiency, which is balancing the air, fuel, and the spark. In school, it's all about paper over reality. I will solve economic problems with formulas, but I don't have any hands-on in the real physical world. People thinking I stopped using my brain. The truth? Diagnosing a car is just fun as financial modeling, but with real stuff, you can actually see. Data gives you a number, fixing a car gives you a satisfaction. That instant physical feedback is much more fulfilling than a spreadsheet. Everything is about equilibrium, whether it's market or motor. If the variables are out of balance, the system fails. I'm a pure craftsman. I don't speak intellectual status. I find my pride in the precision of my work and the utility of my logic. An RV is a lesson in scarcity. I have to calculate every inch and every amp to get the maximum utility out of a tiny space. It keeps my thinking grounded. Theory is easy, but a rusty bolt is honest. It tells you immediately if your logic actually works. It's my personal asset, restructuring. It's the physical proof that I can build my own life and the freedom from scratch. It proves that freedom is a choice, not a dream. It's the moment your path finally belongs to you and no one else.